What it do, mates? We are about to do our first backyard fire. What you think, babe?
Oh, I love it.
You think we're gonna be successful with it?
Yes, I think the first try is the best try. And all the mosquitoes that are coming this way, be prepared to be lit!
Booyah! You got it? You got it? She got it.
Bam.
You get it. So look here, y'all. We're gonna slap the rock right here.
On top.
On top. And we're gonna do some good old cooking, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. Matches.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't this amazing?
Perfect time.
We're gonna, if this lasts a long time, we're gonna take this to Australia next year. Are you really going to Australia next year?
That's why we grinding for real.
Yeah?
I heard that people grinding to go to Australia.
You shouldn't be able to see anything in a minute. It should be clear. Look, it's getting clear already.
I already know.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Okay, sorry.
Let's see those people.
Oh my god! Ah!
Cook good right here. Y'all see that, people? Dinner is about to be served out here.
Woohoo! We're so excited because we are letting the butter melt.
We want you hot, baby.
That's pretty.
It's almost there. We need this one to catch fire. Once this one catch fire, and the heat.
Should I take it off then?
Yeah. Y'all is about to get weak. Yeah, buddy.
I'm recording. That is a big log.
See, she been working on this. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Oh, wait, almost. Right there. That's sauteed salmon that been waiting on us all night. So, baby, do your thing. Wait 1 second. Let me get it to focus.
Wow, it's sizzling!
Oh, yeah, adding some skippadillies. Oh, she wants to add the shrimp marinated in a little wine, garlic, lemon pepper. Oh. Is this even legal to do all this in your backyard? So what we're doing now, people, it is about to get real. You see the sizzle? Oh my goodness.
Oops. There we go, there we
go.
go.
Yes. Whoa. Man, hold up. Wait, are you really doing all this right now? Mm-hmm. Are you really chefing it like this right now? Mm-hmm. You can't be doing it like this right now.
I am, baby. We are.
Can't be. We're gonna add a little lubrication. The secret stuff. Woo-wee. By the way, we're gonna eat this right off the grill. We're gonna burn our taste buds.
We're gonna bring our chapastica. Do you want to flip it real quick?
Be the chef, baby. I'm just the camera boy.
Is that okay for you? Is that not hot? Wait.
Get over here. I'm good.
All right, people. Here we have it. Our finished product.
We got salmon and scrimpies.
Our wine-infused cayenne, garlic, and lemon pepper shrimp.
Oh yeah.
I'm going for this. What you think? You scared?
Wow, this is wonderful.
It's so juicy and tender. It's wet too.
What is this? Some kind of Houdini?
You Houdini.
Let's
Look
add
at it. Look how it's
let's,
just coming out the skin.
let's just add a little bit of this on a cracker.
On a quacker. Bet. On a cracker.
You have to eat a cheese.
There you have it, people. We're gonna go ahead and finish devouring this. But this is the chef.
Thank you so much for watching.
You are so awesome. If you want to see more of this, you know what to do. So this is what we gonna do. Drop a comment. Let us know what we. Drop a comment. Let us know what we need to cook next. You know what I mean?
Outside, in the grill, bonfire style. You know it, BS.